Let's introduce third-person system script, the main controller. This is the script that handles abilities, root motion, grounded situations, and all core logic to make character works. This script is divided in two parts, controller settings and events. Let's take a look at controller settings first. In ground mask you can set which layers system must treat as ground. If character hits some object that has a layer in this mask, character will stop falling and enter grounded abilities. If your character starts sliding in a surface, maybe the surface layer is not in the ground mask. To detect a ground, system casts a sphere to the ground and get its hit info. In the ground check distance you can set how far character can detect a ground below it. In max angle slope you can change the maximum inclination that character can walk on slopes. Gravity acceleration changes the static property physics.gravity. The default value is 9.81. System starts this value as almost 20 to get more realistic physics with character. Always zoom camera is an option that makes cameras stay zoomed anytime. The last two properties is related to character movement. They set the speed to turn character when using free movement. Greater values to stationary and moving turn speed will make character turn direction faster. Now, let's take a look at events section. This section contains 3 events. The first one is ungrounded event. Here you can add any function to execute when character change from fall to grounded. This is useful to play landing sound effect for example, or cause damage to character if it has fallen from too high. On any ability enters and on any ability exits events are called every time any ability enters, or, exits the main controller. You can use it if you want to disable some script or execute a specific function. Any changes made in the main controller will affect all other abilities.